What's up guys, and welcome back to the AV Club. You can just do me a favor and punch that subscribe button, and then I will get right into this. Okay guys, if you guys have a TSG PASS helmet, these are great helmets. A lot of people are starting to pick them up. The problem is, one thing on the downside is they come with what's called a D-ring, which is these two rings and then this long strap here, okay? Now, what they want you to do is go through, then you have to come back through, go through basically both of them, come back through one, and then clip it. And you have to do all that every time you want to lock it. It's kind of a pain in the ass. It's a hassle. No one wants to do it. So I'm going to give you guys a pro tip on how to fix that. I got this from Ryde right here, as you guys can see. And this has a little hole in it. So as a hole right here, you want to put that underneath these two rings, okay? Okay guys, once you have it secure, it will look kind of like this, all right? It's not going anywhere. Now, what you want to do, there is actually, I've done this already, there is like a clip right here, a button clip that you want to actually take a knife, pop it right off, okay? Then you're going to take the other side, and then you're going to loop it through, and you kind of also make sure that they line up. You don't want to put it on backwards, okay? Loop it through, and again, and then kind of tighten it to your desired setting of how tight you kind of want it. Okay, so that one's on now too. Now you have both of them on. Easy enough. Then when you're done, so much quicker than the D-ring. If you guys want to pick it up, I will actually leave the link in the description for Amazon where I got this. I think it's still like $10 or maybe $20 with shipping and tax included. So if you guys want a quicker fix on how to put on your helmet and keep it secure, you're tired of the D-ring, put on a Ryde buckle clip, and you're good to go. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.